Welcome back. Today I'm sharing some whole house cleaning as I work my way around my house, cleaning almost every single room. This week I was racing against the clock as we were preparing to leave for a little family vacation, and I wanted to come home to a clean house. If you need some weekly cleaning motivation, don't forget to subscribe and let's get to it. The first thing I'm doing today is throwing in a load of laundry. I will be washing, drying, and folding a few loads of laundry in today's video. Once I get that first load put in the washer, I'm headed into the kitchen. When I'm doing a whole house clean like this, I definitely do not deep clean. However, my stove was a disaster, so this was one area I did deep clean before leaving. I did not want to come back to a very messy stove, so I spent some extra time in the kitchen focusing on this. After picking up the main area, it's time to start cleaning the floors using my Dreamy Aero Pro Steam. As a homeschooling mom of 4 young kids with 4 cats, I feel like I'm constantly cleaning my floors. My kids are always running around barefoot, sitting on the ground, playing on the floor, and with pets in the house too, keeping the floors clean is a huge priority for me. One of the best features of the Dreamy Aero Pro Steam is the 392-degree steam cleaning. I definitely prefer more non-toxic cleaning options whenever I can, and the high-temperature steam helps break down stubborn grease, dried-on messes, dirt, and bacteria while sanitizing the floors at the same time using only water. It cleans so much deeper than a traditional mop because the steam helps loosen and lift everything instead of just pushing dirty bacteria-filled water around on the floor. There's no chemicals used at all, so there's nothing to worry about, just plain water transformed into 392-degree Fahrenheit cleaning power. You can actually see the steam working, especially on tougher messes in high-traffic areas like the kitchen. It has ultra-strong 28 kPa suction power, which is one of the strongest suction levels among floor washers in this category, so it's able to clean much more thoroughly while vacuuming and mopping at the same time. I love that it has a 70-minute runtime, which is one of the strongest runtimes in this category. I can clean my whole home on one charge. The TangleCut 2.0 system is great in a house with 4 cats and 3 girls because it helps prevent tangles around the brush roller. I really appreciate the ultra slim lay flat design because it makes it so much easier to clean underneath furniture and all of those areas that are usually hard to reach. The body reclines 180 degrees, meaning it lays completely flat to reach underneath those low spaces so they get cleaned just as well as the rest of my floors. After I'm done cleaning my floor, the self-cleaning system uses high temperature steam combined with hot water to deeply clean the roller by breaking down grease, hair, dirt, and bacteria at the source instead of just rinsing off the roller. It rotates forward and backward to simulate hand washing, so it's actually deep cleaning and sanitizing the roller for every use. If you're looking for something that deep cleans, sanitizes, and makes everyday floor cleaning more efficient and effective, make sure you check out the link in my description and use my code. The AeroPro Steam is launching at 27% off for a limited time, now just $439. Thank you, Dreamy, for sponsoring today's video. Thank you so much for being here and watching today's video. I hope it gave you some motivation to get done whatever is on your to-do list. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one.